Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where the data went and preventing more loss. First, check your carrier app or phone settings to see GB used and the billing reset date. Then, connect to Wi-Fi and turn off mobile data while you audit apps. Next, enable data saver or low data mode to block background syncs. Once done, suspend auto updates and large media downloads so your remaining allowance lasts until you finish the cleanup. You now dig into app behavior. Open data usage to find the top 3 offenders and inspect foreground versus background consumption. Once identified, force stop or restrict background data for those apps and revoke unnecessary permissions. Next, change streaming to low or standard quality and turn off autoplay and automatic updates. Make sure backups and large uploads are set to Wi-Fi only, and schedule any heavy transfers after your billing reset or while connected to trusted Wi-Fi. You finish by monitoring usage for the next 24 to 72 hours to confirm your changes worked and that no hidden process is burning data. Next, set hard limits or alerts at 80% and 100% so you get warned before overage charges. If needed, switch to lightweight app versions or download maps and media for offline use. Troubleshooting tip: if usage remains high, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Then uninstall the culprit and reset network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.